In this video, I'll show you how to resume a YouTube video upload if it gets stuck or interrupted. First, open YouTube Studio in your web browser. Go to the Content or Upload section. If you see that your video upload is stuck or paused, simply try uploading the same video file again. Click the Create button, select Upload Videos, and choose the exact same file from your computer. YouTube will recognize that it's the same file and automatically continue the upload from where it left off, instead of starting over. This feature works as long as you upload the same file within the allowed time period. It's a quick and easy way to save time, especially if you're uploading large videos or using a slow internet connection. That's it. This is how you can resume a stuck YouTube video upload without starting from scratch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.